Welcome to this profound and transformative meditative experience. I am Jordi, guiding you from Conscious Mind Short Meditations, a space created to explore together the limitless power of our mind and body. Today, we embark on a unique journey designed to connect with one of the most mysterious gateways to our spirituality and consciousness, the pineal gland. The pineal gland, though small and seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in our connection with the universe and higher dimensions. This organ, located at the center of our brain, is known as the third eye and has been revered by ancient cultures as a portal to intuition, expanded consciousness, and spiritual awakening. Activating it means more than just an internal shift. It is opening yourself to a universe of possibilities where your energy flows freely and your mind connects with the infinite. Today, you hold the opportunity to join a small group of people who have reached this level of connection. Only 1% of humanity vibrates at this elevated frequency. And at this moment, you're about to take your first steps toward that higher vibration. This meditation is designed to help you activate the quantum energy of your pineal gland, aligning you with the highest frequencies and allowing you to manifest a life full of peace, clarity, and purpose. To begin, find a quiet place where you can remain undisturbed. Sit or lie down, choosing the position that makes you feel most comfortable. The key is to allow your body and mind to relax completely. Close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose, letting the air fill your lungs and expand your abdomen. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or distracting thoughts. With each inhalation, feel peace entering you. With each exhalation, let go of all that you no longer need. This moment is yours, a sacred space where you begin to connect with the depths of your being. Allow yourself to enter this state of calm, preparing for an experience that will transform your vibration and perspective. With your body relaxed and your mind calm, it is time to focus on a special point within you. Gently direct your attention to the crown of your head, the highest point of your body. There, imagine a golden light, bright yet warm, radiating from the cosmos. This light is not just any light. It is universal quantum energy, an infinite force that connects all that exists. Feel this light beginning to enter your body through the crown, flowing like a serene river of energy. Imagine this golden light slowly filtering into your being, filling every space and illuminating every corner. Let this energy completely envelop you. As it does, visualize it expanding from your head downward, moving through your neck, shoulders, and down your spine. As this energy flows, feel how every part of your body responds to its presence. Notice how the golden light travels through your arms, reaching your hands, then continues to your chest, abdomen, hips, legs, and feet. This energy not only fills your body, but purifies and harmonizes it. With every breath, this light connects more deeply with every cell of your being, bringing peace, clarity, and strength. Now, shift your focus to the center of your forehead, just between your eyebrows. This place, known as the third eye, is a portal to intuition and higher perception. Visualize the golden light concentrating in this spot, gently accumulating. It's as if a beacon is lighting up from within, radiating a warm, powerful energy toward the pineal gland located at the center of your brain. As this light focuses on your third eye, feel it beginning to connect with your pineal gland. This is a moment of awakening, of activation. You may sense a slight vibration in this area, an expanding sensation that grows with each breath. This is the quantum energy flowing within you, activating one of the most significant centers of your spirituality and connection to the universe. Now that the golden light has fully expanded through your being, feel its energy softly vibrating within you. This vibration is not just a physical sensation, it is a sign that your frequency is changing, that your being is tuning into the highest energies of the universe. Return your attention to your pineal gland, that small yet powerful organ at the center of your brain. With each deep breath, the vibration intensifies. It is as if this gland, after a long rest, is slowly awakening. As you inhale and exhale, feel how this vibration expands from the center of your head outward in all directions, radiating warm, harmonious energy throughout your body. This vibration not only activates your pineal gland, but also harmonizes your energy centers, creating a balanced flow throughout your being. Imagine how this energy spirals from your pineal gland to your forehead, your chest, and then to every corner of your body. It is a dance of light and vibration that connects you to something much greater, the quantum field of infinite possibilities. As this vibration grows, imagine it connecting with the higher energies of the universe. Visualize how these cosmic frequencies begin to respond, flowing toward you in a continuous exchange of energy and wisdom. It's as if your pineal gland becomes a beacon, emitting light into the cosmos and receiving its response. This energy flow is gentle, powerful, and transformative. Now, as you remain in this elevated state of vibration, gently place one hand over your heart. Feel the warmth of your hand and the steady rhythm of your heartbeat, reminding you that this is your center, the place where all the energy and wisdom of this meditation integrate. This connection between your heart and your pineal gland creates a deep anchor, stabilizing the elevated vibration in every part of your being. As you keep your hand on your heart, feel how each breath reinforces this state. The golden energy you have mobilized does not fade. It remains within you, rooted deeply. Visualize how this energy flows from your pineal gland to your heart, and from your heart to your entire being, enveloping you in a sense of peace, clarity, and connection. This vibrational state is not fleeting. It is a new frequency that is now a part of you, a doorway always open to the quantum field. Every time you place your hand on your heart, you can return to this place of expansion, clarity, and power. Allow yourself to remember that everything you need is already within you. Before closing this experience, give profound thanks. Thank your heart for being the anchor of this energy, your mind for opening to new possibilities, and the universe for the connection you now share. When you are ready, begin to slowly return. Take with you this elevated vibration, knowing that the path to a life of manifestation, clarity, and purpose is always available to you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Namaste.